Did you know that the western honeybee is responsible for pollinating 1/3 of the food we eat? These tiny creatures have a fascinating history and incredible abilities that might just blow your mind. The western honeybee, scientifically known as Apis mellifera, has a rich and complex evolutionary history that spans millions of years. These remarkable insects have adapted and thrived across diverse environments, developing unique characteristics that make them essential to both ecosystems and human agriculture. The story of the western honeybee begins in ancient times, with fossil evidence suggesting their existence as far back as 100 million years ago. Originally native to Europe, Africa, and parts of Asia, these bees have since spread across the globe, thanks in part to human intervention and their own remarkable adaptability. As these bees evolved, they developed a highly organized social structure that has fascinated scientists and beekeepers alike. A typical honeybee colony consists of 3 distinct castes: the queen, the workers, and the drones. Each caste plays a crucial role in the survival and success of the colony. The queen bee is the heart of the hive, responsible for laying eggs and maintaining the colony's population. She can lay up to 2,000 eggs per day and lives for several years, far longer than her worker offspring. The workers, all female, are the backbone of the colony, performing various tasks such as foraging for food, caring for young, and defending the hive. The male drones have only one purpose: to mate with queens from other colonies, ensuring genetic diversity. One of the most remarkable features of western honeybees is their ability to communicate through dance. The famous waggle dance allows forager bees to share information about the location of food sources with their hive mates. This sophisticated form of communication involves a series of movements that indicate both the direction and distance of a food source, allowing the colony to efficiently gather resources. Western honeybees have also developed an impressive array of physical adaptations that enable them to thrive in their environment. Their compound eyes give them excellent vision, allowing them to detect ultraviolet light and navigate using polarized light patterns in the sky. Their specialized mouthparts are perfectly designed for collecting nectar and pollen, while their pollen baskets on their hind legs efficiently transport pollen back to the hive. The development of the western honeybee's stinger is another fascinating aspect of their evolution. Unlike some other bee species, honeybees have barbed stingers that remain embedded in their victim, causing the bee to die after stinging. This sacrifice ensures that the colony's defenses are used only when absolutely necessary, protecting the hive from serious threats. As these bees spread across different regions, they developed various subspecies, each adapted to its local environment. For example, the Italian honeybee is known for its gentle temperament and productivity, while the Carniolan honeybee is prized for its ability to survive harsh winters. The relationship between western honeybees and humans has a long and intertwined history. Ancient Egyptians were among the first to practice beekeeping, as evidenced by hieroglyphs and archaeological findings. Over time, beekeeping techniques evolved, and honeybees became an integral part of agriculture worldwide. Today, western honeybees play a crucial role in global food production. Their pollination services are essential for many crops, including almonds, apples, and berries. The economic value of their pollination is estimated to be in the billions of dollars annually, far exceeding the value of the honey and wax they produce. However, the western honeybee faces numerous challenges in the modern world. Habitat loss, pesticide use, and the spread of parasites and diseases have led to significant declines in bee populations in many areas. The mysterious phenomenon, known as colony collapse disorder, has further threatened bee populations, prompting increased research and conservation efforts. Despite these challenges, the resilience and adaptability that have characterized the western honeybee throughout its evolutionary history continue to serve it well. Scientists and beekeepers are working together to develop new strategies to protect these vital insects, including breeding more resistant strains and implementing more bee-friendly agricultural practices. The story of the western honeybee is one of continuous adaptation and survival, from their ancient origins to their current status as essential pollinators. These remarkable insects have proven time and again their ability to overcome obstacles and thrive in changing environments. As we look to the future, the continued health and success of western honeybee populations will be crucial not only for maintaining biodiversity, but also for ensuring global food security. By understanding and appreciating the complex development and unique characteristics of these incredible creatures, we can better work towards their conservation and the preservation of the vital ecological services they provide. The next time you see a honeybee buzzing from flower to flower, take a moment to appreciate the millions of years of evolution and adaptation that have shaped this tiny yet immensely important insect. The western honeybee truly is a marvel of nature, playing a role in our lives and our ecosystems that is far greater than its small size might suggest. And that's all for today's buzz about the western honeybee. Thanks for joining us on this sweet journey through bee evolution. Until next time, keep your curiosity buzzing.